In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display code in WordPress. If you want to share HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other snippet on your site without it being treated like normal text, WordPress has a simple built-in way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a code block to a page so your code appears clean, readable, and properly separated from the rest of your content. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site content, settings, and pages. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will open the list of pages currently available on your site. Next, select the page where you want to display your code. You can choose an existing page that you want to update, depending on where you want the code snippet to appear for your visitors. After choosing the page, click Edit to open it in the WordPress editor. Now that the page is open, you're ready to insert the correct type of content block. Click Add Block. This is the tool WordPress uses to insert different content elements like paragraphs, images, buttons, and in this case, code. When the block menu appears, use the search field and type code. Searching is often the fastest way to find the exact block you need, especially if you're working in a page with lots of available block options. Once the code block appears in the results, click on Code to add it to the page. You'll now see a dedicated area where you can enter your code. Go ahead and paste or type your code directly into that block. This is useful because it keeps the formatting more consistent and helps WordPress understand that this content should be displayed as code rather than interpreted as standard page text. If you're pasting from another source, it's a good idea to quickly review the formatting afterward to make sure indentation and line breaks still look the way you want. After entering your code, you can continue editing the rest of the page as needed. Before making the page live, it's always smart to preview it so you can confirm the code displays clearly and is easy to read. That way, you can catch any spacing or layout issues before visitors see it, and that's it. That's how to display code in WordPress using the built-in code block. Once you know where to find it, the process is quick and easy, and it's a much cleaner way to present code on your site.